And this is Matt. As you've probably figured out by now, the district is having a hard time catching up with help desk tickets at the beginning of the year. And so they've asked that we try to connect our own computers and laptops to the printer. So this is an instructional video showing you how to do that with a Mac. You will be receiving an email forwarded from IT that also has written instructions. If you are trying to connect your computer to the copy machine or trying to connect a Windows-based computer, they have said they will try to come out and do that for us. But they want us to try to connect the Macs on our own. So here's how you're going to do that. In the email instructions, you will see something called an IP address, which is the one connected to the printer. For example, you'll see a long series of numbers, and then it will say pod D6 or pod C7, the printer that's located in the center pod office connected to 4 rooms. So here's how you're going to go about doing that. First, you're going to click on the Apple. You're going to go to System Preferences. You're going to find the icon for printers. You're going to hit the plus button down here at the lower left, if you can see my cursor down there. Then you're going to click the button that says IP. Now, when this box comes up, you're going to type in the number that corresponds to the printer that you want to print to. For example, if you are in the kindergarten pod, then you're going to use the number that goes along with the printer that's in that pod, which should be associated with a room number of one of the 4 rooms connected. So for example, the one in the media center would be that. I would type in my IP address. You'll see this happen. It'll either say generic PostScript printer, or it will say the particular type of printer. At any rate, you're going to click Add. It'll take a while here to set this up, a few seconds, and of course I'm not really setting this up right now, so I'm going to skip it. And then you'll click the OK button, and the printer will show up here, and now it can be a selectable printer. So again, I'll show you the list of IP addresses, but you're going to see this instruction set in your email, and you can simply have a look. These are the type of numbers that I'm talking about right here. If you look in this section, you'll see there's pod C3, pod C7, printer media center. You're going to type in these numbers here. This is the IP address, the 10.15. whatever. Okay, that's the number that you need. If at any point you encounter a prompt for a administrator password, you're going to type in the following. You're going to type in TechFac for the username and DPS Zeus for the password. Again, if you encounter a dialog box which prompts you for an administrator username and password, you're going to use TechFac for the username and DPS Zeus for the password. I hope the video helps out, and please, experienced folks, try to help out the new folks, and tech savvy folks, try to help out the non-tech savvy folks. And that'll make everything go a lot faster. Thanks a bunch.